Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 189,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and tow hooks. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.